think he's here.
Let's get into it. Today we're installing the new Road Angel Halo Ultra dashcam. It's a super compact piece of kit. You get the camera, the mounting bracket, some super strong double-sided sticky pads to attach it to your windscreen, and of course the standard power cable. We'll quickly unwrap the camera and pop it into the mounting bracket so you can see how that works. Once you've got the camera in the bracket and you've decided where you're going to mount the camera, you just peel off the backing on the red sticky pad and attach it. And on top of all of that, with the hard wire kit, you get every single option that you can think of to enable you to wire in the camera nice and easily. There are different adapters for taking out a fuse in the fuse box, put that fuse into the back of the adapter and then use that for your power lead. A filter that you can put over the lead if you're getting interference from the electronics in the car. And the power lead itself is well thought out. It's plenty long enough to make sure you can route the cable out of sight around the windscreen or wherever you wish to make sure you don't have a power cable visible in your eye line while you're out on the road, track or on the rally stage in our case. Of course, it's never going to go smoothly if you're going to take a car from 1985 and try and install some 2024 electronics. The main issue here being the 6R4 doesn't have a lot of power options available, but also there's virtually no space in the cabin. If you want to put the camera further back in the cabin than the windscreen so that people can see what's going on, the roll cage is tight up against the roof and the rear part of the roll cage is behind the plexiglass midscreen, which would mean the camera is sitting right above the engine but not in the cabin at all. Needless to say, we ended up having a couple of goes at fitting this in a suitable place, not only to make it easy to get the power to, but also to make sure that you can still get a great view out of the camera. As I said, the first test was on the inside of the roof vent, and that was pretty much a disaster. Apart from the sound, which was fantastic. But the angle of the camera didn't work at all. So having done a test install and then gone to Lincoln Castle for a classic car show, it was pretty clear that mounting the camera up there wasn't going to work. So it was back to the drawing board and we decided to mount the camera on the Perspex midscreen. I mean, it is designed to be mounted on the windscreen, so it seemed like a good fit. And the angle is much better. With the camera being mounted between the two seats, you can not only see the driver, the navigator, the dash and the view out of the front of the car. It was a bonus for us because the power leads for the map light were right next to where we wanted the camera. So in the end, it all worked out very nicely. Give us a like, hit the bell and press subscribe, and then you'll see all the other videos we've got on the channel, and there is plenty more to come. If you've got a question about the car, if there's anything you want to know, just put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.